Alright, got my Maytag washer all set up, ready to do some clothes. Here's the pipe that goes out the basement window. Need a little longer one for the exhaust. The rollers are in real nice shape, not cracked or anything. For the age, looks good. I'm using a number 31 Maytag engine on here. Nice logos yet. Inside looks really nice. Rollers on this side look nice. Alright, let's give this thing a step on and see if we can start it. This is the choke. Put it on open. Not too bad. Oh, little temperamental. There we go. Let it warm up a minute. Water in there. We'll kick her in gear. Now that's the way the washing machine is supposed to work. Okay, I'll use some borax the old-fashioned way. Dump it in there. Couple towels. Wash machines need to take a look back. This is the way clothes are supposed to be washed. Isn't that nice? Okay, we'll let it do its job for a little bit.